Hi everyone, welcome to this video about the hop-on, hop-off bus in Rome. This bus stops near most of the important monuments in Rome, and it comes around every 20 to 30 minutes. We use the City Roma bus. I think there are other buses as well, but we saw these all around Rome, so we figured they run on a consistent and reliable schedule since we kept seeing these buses near all the tourist attractions. The ticket is 20 euros for the day or 22 euros for a 24-hour period of time. The junior prices listed are for ages 6 to 12, so a 13-year-old is charged the same as an adult fare. On the other hand, age 5 and under is free. If you start the hop-on, hop-off bus after 1:15 in the afternoon, then they only charge 17 euro, and if you simply get on the bus and do the entire route without getting off, then it's 14 euro. That's something to consider if you want to relax on the top of the bus, take in the sights, and not get on and off. You can pick up the tour at any of the locations you see on this map. It doesn't matter where you start. We started at the Colosseum station, which is where the Colosseum and the Roman Forum are. Once you pay, you will be given this map with all the stops listed and the times of the first and last runs from each point. So for example, the last run from the Colosseum area is at 19:10, which is 7:10 p.m., a little on the early side in my opinion, so keep that in mind. The map shows you the route you are taking. The bus can only navigate down larger streets. It doesn't go down the smaller streets where most of the monuments or tourist attractions are. So for example, the Trevi Fountain is a popular sight to see, but the bus doesn't go into the street where the Trevi Fountain is, it just goes near it. You have to find it on the map, here where it says Piazza di Trevi, and then find the nearest stop, which is stop number 8, and get off and follow the crowd to the fountain. It is on a very small street, so I didn't expect the bus to go down there, and it's usually crowded, so there's really no way a bus can get in there. The same thing is true for the other major sites. You are not going to get too close to the actual site. Expect to walk, but that's part of the fun of being in Rome. The city is very walkable, and there is so much to see and appreciate while you are walking. Or you can opt to stay on the bus and just tour around the city. You will pass some sites that way as well. But the real advantage is to get on and off the bus at the various sites. When you board the bus, they give you a headset that plugs into a jack at the side of the bus. I found some of the jacks didn't work, so you might have to switch the plug. They don't give you the same kind of information you would get from a tour guide, but at least it lets you know where you are and what you're looking at. They broadcast in 13 different languages, and there's also free Wi-Fi on board the bus. If you choose the 14 euro option of staying on the bus, the complete run is around 1.5 hours. We found the top of the bus very pleasant, not too windy and not too hot, and I think you can see more from the upper level. But there is a lower level you can sit on just like with a regular bus. I just think the upper level is a little more fun. If you have any questions, please comment below and I will try to answer them as best as possible. I have no connection with the company, I just want to share my experience and hope it helps anyone planning a trip to Rome. The rest of this video is footage from our ride on the bus. I hope you enjoy it. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and thank you for watching.